Hey people, so there is this show called The Business of Drugs that is on Amazon, on Netflix, and it is, it will trace the whole, like all these popular, these certain drugs like cocaine, meth, heroin, just where it's grown, how, what is that whole chain? No, yeah, it's when you see the world like the global level, you realize that this kind of substance abuse, there's a whole market behind it. I don't know, I found it very fascinating, some of these documentaries that are on Netflix. So you all can try and check it out, people. It's called The Business of Drugs, and it has some 6 or 7 episodes. And honestly, I began watching this one particular episode on heroin, but then it opens with this African slum, about this little, and the dealer is giving a voiceover saying, I wouldn't recommend this line for anyone, but I need to put food on the table. So when you see something from that perspective, it immediately, normally you think a drug dealer will be like a gun toting some gangster, but when you see that very human side to them, like as in it makes you, I feel, watching a show like this helps you have empathy towards even the most freaky, seemingly freaky human beings on this planet. Drug dealers and gangsters and all, because it's really, so I like to watch these shows for that human perspective, so that I no longer look at people in a very judgmental way. Everybody does what they do for a reason. So when you watch a show like this, you understand that. So it's called The Business of Drugs, and you can catch it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.